Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is February the 23rd. I'll be walking you through my Tesla portfolio. Ticker symbol TSLA, currently down by about 2.34%. At some point, it was down by about like 10%. Yeah, it was trading like at 623. So currently slowly recovering. So for the week, I'm down by about 10%. For the month, down by about 18.4%. 3 month up by about 29.14%. For the year, 315%. So let's check my portfolio. I have 70 shares, average cost of 372, and so far I'm up by about 87%. So I wanted to provide some guidance and how to go about Tesla around this time. So if you're a long time investor, I think you should be averaging down if you have a higher cost basis. Quick reminder, this is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own due diligence and consult with a professional, and also subscribe to the channel. We're growing very fast. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it valuable. We'll be talking a little bit about also what's happening with other EV companies. So we have CCIV, which had the official merger mentioned yesterday, and we saw a pretty big dip. I think it's down by about 40%. Neo is down today as well. A lot of EV companies are down, but you have to remember Tesla. Whatever happens to Tesla kind of affects the others in a way, and the fact that we have a lot of institutions trying to kind of buy in at this dip because most of them bought in at a higher price. That means a lot of buyers are going to support the price, and the price will go up. I can see us going past 700 before the end of the day, just because a lot of people who thought of buying at 800 when they got this at 620, that was a really big discount. So what's my position? I have 70 shares. Average cost is 372.19, and so far I'm up by 87%. We can see today's volume is about 31.21 million, which is not a lot, but quite considerable because so far most people had enough shares that they purchased. Maybe they'll be adding more. I'm sure retail investors are also trying to dip in a little bit. We have a market cap of 655 billion, and you can see the lows for the day was 619, so that was a really good price if you got in at that price. And the high is 694. So right now already past 700, and I see us going higher than that for the day. And you can see there's a lot of news with the Nasdaq, which is kind of getting a hammer for 2% lower in tech. If you're in any tech stocks, I'm sure you've seen it's probably dipping on your end, but just don't panic sell. This is very normal. Market correction was overdue anyway. Most people, even in the comment section, it's like they expect a stock to gain 10% within a week or something like that. That's never realistic. So this is very normal in the market for the first timers, and just embrace it, see it as a positive. So if you believe in a company when it was like 800 and you wanted to buy it at 800, why wouldn't you buy it at 650, right? So it's up to you to kind of have this mentality of making sure that you're very rational and you're grounded when it comes to investing. So don't panic sell. If anything, make sure you have some cash on the sideline, so when we have red days, you can go in and buy. So you can see what the analysts are saying. We have 25% buy, 47% hold, and 28% sell. What are the bulls saying? Tesla has the potential to change the world with long-range AV technology, and battery technology that can store solar energy that it products generate. The cost advantage of recharging over gasoline is significant, and gas will probably never be able to catch up. Furthermore, the instant torque and EV makes them fun to drive as the vehicle is always at full power. Its unique supercharging network makes Tesla the only automaker directly trying to alleviate the range anxiety of buying an EV. So let's see what the bears are saying. So investing in Tesla carries tremendous uncertainty. The market has high expectations for the stock, so a slowdown in growth, execution problem, lack of capital could lead to a severe decline in stock price. Elon Musk erratic behavior adds uncertainty. The stock has massive key man risk. Mass EV adoption by consumers could be many more years away than Tesla expects. If demand does not materialize, the company is likely to struggle to recoup the cost of its gigafactories. Audi, BMW, Ford, GM, Mercedes, and others are no longer ignoring EVs. So I can see, most of the world heading to EVs. So I can understand the best case, but for the most part, I think we all agree that EV is the future. So right now you can see what Lucid is doing, what every other EV company is doing. The cost will go down with mass production. So if Tesla has a 25k car, I can see things getting even better. Let me know in the comment section what you think about Tesla. If you have any shares, if you bought the dip, we'll be waiting also to kind of see in April, the end of April, the expected earnings call. So we will be kind of watching and looking into what they come up with. My gut tells me it's going to be a bit positive with Gigafactory Berlin and China, Shanghai. So let me know what you want to kind of also see in this channel. I'll be revealing my portfolio soon. Thank you so much for the support so far. I really appreciate each and every one of you. See you in the next one. Be green and be safe. Bye.